Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. It really helps me so much. And thank you all who watch my videos and comment. It really means so much to me to see all of you interacting with me and commenting. And like I've said before, if you watched my earlier videos, you would see how terrified I was. I actually deleted most of my videos that I did in, see, I think my first month was April, and I deleted most of my April videos and some of my May because, or it may have been, I think it was April, May, because I was so terrified, and it was very obvious in my videos that I was terrified, and it looked like videos of someone with a gun being pointed to their head while they read off of a script. And I know a lot of people say they kept their videos. Mine were really horrible, but I apologize. The fan is blowing my hair, but like I've mentioned many times, my air conditioner is not working right, so I keep the fan on. Anyway, now you all are friends, and I sit down and I know you all are on the other end of my video, and if I ramble, I apologize. I am talking to friends, and sometimes I get carried away and ramble. So I just wanted y'all to know I really do appreciate it. If my face starts swelling, I just went outside to, my son's out there with his dad, and there's some people who came to visit, and a bee flew, a wasp. We have the really nasty red wasp, flew and stung me right under the eye right here, and my whole face, I can feel it. It's different than that side. I can feel this whole side of my face down to here. Can you see it? This whole side of my face is really getting puffy, and it is really getting painful. But I wanted to get these videos finished as much as I possibly could, because I'm already behind a little bit because I've been so busy with Levi's school, and I wanted to do enough videos at least for a few days, and so I could put up a couple a day and try to get caught up on my unboxings, because I still have a few really small hauls to do. And I also got my boxycharm pop-up for this month. I think I got most of my things. I didn't order as much this month because money is just too tight to spend much. I could have spent a whole lot. I did spend more than I should have, but I could have spent a lot more than I did because I love their pop-ups. And I also recently got the add-ons that were from, I think, July. So I got both of those that I want to show you all. So yeah, I have quite a few, but I'm trying to get the boxes out that are still part of this month, in case anyone is curious what the boxes have for this month, in case you want to get them before the month is over. I know most people don't, but I still wanted to show you all my boxes. This was the Plus. Y'all know this was the very first month they changed to these drawstring bags, and they started letting us choose, instead of one product, they started letting us choose 3. I do find that kind of odd that they did that with the Plus but not the Ultimate, when the Ultimate is the biggest tier. That's the one that people pay the most for. I understand this one is all full size. Maybe it was too complicated, but maybe they'll do it soon. So I wanted to show you all what I chose and what my other the other things they gave me was, I should have done a little something so I could have shown y'all what I had to choose from, but I didn't think about it, and I haven't figured out how to video, like looking at a screen and how to video it. I know someone said it was possible, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So, really cute drawstring bag. If it was a different color, my son would absolutely love this because he loves these drawstring bags. He sticks like Legos and his Nerf darts and all that in them, and he loves to tie these around his belt loops, like, you know, tie like around his belt loops and hang these from his pants when he's running around acting like an 8-year-old. But he won't carry it being pink because pink is for girls. That's what he says. So, let me bring up what I got here. My first item is, now I would not have got my Ultimate had I known this was going to be in my Plus, because the Ultimate, the only reason I ended up keeping the Ultimate, because I was going to pause last month, was because I wanted this. This is valued at $135. It is the 111 Skin. Is it Cryo ATP Sports Booster is what this says. This is the ultimate secret weapon for days when your skin is looking tired and meh. This energizing serum booster. Forget coffee. This highly concentrated formula revs up your skin cells and encourages the flow of oxygen to make your complexion look instantly more wide awake and glowy. Rough texture, dullness, and large pores, yarrow extract helps fix them all. So I'm really excited to try this. Again, that little bottle is valued at $135. It will go a long ways because it is very liquidy. You know, serums are very liquidy. That wasn't my choice. That was on there. Like I said, I wouldn't have even gotten the Ultimate had I known I would get that. And the other thing they gave me was this pack of Beauty for Real. This was their choice too. It is a cream. Doesn't come in. It is a cream eyeshadow duo, Midnight Marathon and Everstruct. I haven't opened these little package. Let's see, there's the colors. Well, I can get the lid off there. See, they are creamy. They are eyeshadow sticks, and these retail for $38. Look how pretty. I like that color. What you doing, baby? So we got that, and let's see. This was one of my choices. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Pressed Setting Powder, and this is a full size and retails for $28. It does have the typical Ciate London thing. If I can, I saw somebody else who couldn't get theirs open. Oh, I got it. Look how cute. See the little indentions for the watermelon seeds. So it is just a white powder. I'm gonna have to hurry because my battery is starting to go down again. I just charged it. And then this was one of my choices. I remember this, I wasn't happy with any of the choices, so I chose the Ciate London Mascara XXL, it's a triple shot XXL mascara. I love you too, baby. And there's what the wand looks like. And this retails for $22. And this was, oops, one of my things that I really was excited about. Of course, you know I chose the palette, the Estate Cosmetics by Bailey Syrian Venus Fling eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $30. I get it open. So look how pretty the packaging is. Y'all know I am a sucker for pretty packaging. Look at that. It does have a really nice mirror. Oh wow, look at how big those palettes. I mean the pans are. I can't see if I can think of something to show you. Let's see, I mean they're huge. They're not your typical size of, let me see. Well, I cannot think of anything. Okay, here's eyeshadow, pencil. You know how big the end of a pencil is? Look how much bigger how big they are. Can you tell? I mean, they're huge pans. I apologize for he's excited about something. There's a matte, and there's a matte. So here are some of the colors. I have completely ran out of, oh that's pretty, oh look at that purple. And then here are the mattes. I have completely ran out of room on my arm, but I will definitely be doing a video soon on this, on my eye, for an eye look. And then my add-ons were, I think, did I tell you that retails for $30, and I added on this Tony Moly Moisture Boost. I have another one that I keep in the refrigerator, and it's like gel, and first thing in the morning I've been putting it on. I really like it. Come to think of it, I think I should go put that on my eye. You can really see it now, I think, where that stung me right in under the eye. And then I got the Watermelon Jersey Shore. I really like this brand for lip balms. It says all natural organic ingredients. These are, I think it was a coconut one that I got a long time ago, and I really like this brand. And then I got the Lottie AM to PM eyeliner in the color Espresso. So it's a brown, really dark brown. So I got that. I think this was a, let's see, was this an add-on? I think so. I think that was an add-on. Put this out of the way so that my palette don't fall in first. And then I got, I don't remember. Let's see, that was that. And I added on that. Yeah, these, I don't remember. Maybe these were ones I got with my points. I think they were. I think these two eyeliners I must have got with my points or something. Because this is a Pixie. And Endless Silky Eye Pen, Pixie. Where is the color? It is brown, but let's see, it's a different shade of brown, so that's good. Okay, so that is that. Two, I don't know why, I don't remember picking out two brown eyeliners, but that was that. And this is really good in the morning, and watermelon lip balm. It is really awesome. So this was one of my choices. The palette was my choice. Oh yeah, mascara. And the mascara was my choice. And these are the ones that they chose for me. So there is that, and thank you all so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye bye.